Ooh, Saved by the Bell. Do you remember that show? I loved that when I was growing up. Good old AC Slater and Zach Morris. I mean, people think I hate the TTC or I have a vendetta against the TTC and especially bus drivers. But now, look at here. We play nice. Give them a little flash of the high beams to let them know. Go on in. And what do I get from that driver? Thumbs up. Yeah, see, we get along. I can play nice. So back off, transit lovers. I'm a friend of the TTC. Unless they go through red lights. You never know what's coming your way with Ladybug Adventures. I bring you mousetraps, archery videos, car cam videos, DIY projects, and computer builds. Don't forget to subscribe. This first one is the best one because it happens to be a van with an ad that says, "Got a traffic ticket for best and most affordable service? Call us." Why should you call us? Because we have the most experience at running red lights. I mean, fighting your traffic tickets, especially red lights. I thought this was just hilarious. I mean, how are you going to argue that that was not a full-on red light? The light was completely red and you just blew right through it. Let's see you talk your way out of that one. I mean, really, in the end, maybe you could reduce the demerit points or something like that, but I don't know. You'd probably be really good if you could talk your way out of that one. Now let's look for some clients for this person. You see the light turns yellow, then red, and just as it turns red, a nice big dump truck decides to go through. I know why it's going through. I mean, it has a lot of momentum going for it. But again, red is red. Well, for this new client here, maybe they can argue, you know, the sun flashed in your eye on a cloudy day. No joke, same lights, different day. What you'll see here is our light turns green and a dump truck just rolls on through. I mean, that's really insane. You have about a 2-second gap between the truck's light turning red and ours turning green. I suppose our traffic ticket specialist could go with a classic. Your Honor, I'm colorblind. Now for our next potential client, you're going to say, oh my gosh, on the left, another dump truck? Yeah. Another, no, I'm just joking, not this time, behind the dump truck. The light's yellow there, turns red right about here, and it's that Audi right there. And as you can see, it's way behind that line. What would our traffic specialist say? Your Honor, my client couldn't see from behind the dump truck. Plus he had to get to the Costco so he could get his box of Kirkland baby wipes. Now our next client here is this minivan just to my left. As you can see, the light turns yellow. Light's red, behind the line, and just goes right on through. Again, the argument here probably is, my client had a minivan full of 14 babies, and they had to get home to change 14 dirty diapers. You understand? Now the next red light is coming from a Honda Civic, coming from the right-hand side of the screen, making a left turn. The light turns yellow, red, and of course they continue. Now the defense I would use is, my client was borrowing this car and didn't know where the brake was. My final red light is this car that's going to be coming up on the right, and as you'll see, they'll just do a U-turn on the red light, and the person who has the right of way, unfortunately, has to stop, while this lovely person does whatever the heck they want. And our traffic ticket specialist probably go with the excuse of, my client is from the Republic of Maldonado, where red means go. Well, that's probably one of my last videos that I'm going to be doing with the car cams or dash cams. I'm trying to work on some good karma, so the less I do these, the better. If I catch something really interesting like that rollover crash that I caught on my dash cam, I'll definitely be posting something like that. But for these day-to-day things that have been bugging me for many years, I'm going to be cutting back on that. I'm going to be focusing on different videos, but I hope you'll come back and keep watching. So transit lovers out there, you can rest easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next Ladybug adventure.